Hi, everyone. Today I want to share something that has helped me a lot in my own life. There are times when sadness, stress, or disappointment take over, and in those moments I often turn to the timeless wisdom of Buddha. His words are simple, but they carry such deep truth. So whenever you feel sad in life, I want you to remember these powerful Buddha quotes. Buddha once said, "Do not dwell in the past, do not dream of the future, concentrate the mind on the present moment." When we feel sad, it's usually because we're stuck in what has already happened or worried about what's yet to come. But life is only here now. The present moment is the only place we can truly breathe and find peace. Another beautiful quote is, "Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without." When we're sad, we often look for happiness outside, in people, possessions, or situations. But Buddha reminds us that real peace begins inside us. When we calm our mind and look within, we realize we already have the strength to heal. One of my favorites is, "You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection." Think about that for a moment. When you're sad, do you speak kindly to yourself, or do you criticize yourself? Buddha's wisdom reminds us that self-love isn't selfish, it's necessary. You cannot pour from an empty cup, so be gentle with yourself first. He also said, "Nothing is permanent." This is so powerful. No matter how deep your sadness feels right now, it will pass. Just like the seasons change, emotions rise and fall. Everything is temporary, and that includes your pain. And finally, thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. This means share your kindness. Even when you feel sad, helping someone else, offering love, or even just a smile can bring light not only to them, but also to you. So whenever you feel sad in life, I want you to pause, take a breath, and remember these Buddha quotes. Stay in the present moment. Find peace within. Love yourself. Remember that nothing lasts forever, and keep spreading light. These timeless teachings are not just words, they are gentle reminders that sadness is a part of life, but it doesn't define your life. If this video brought you peace today, I hope you carry these words in your heart. And remember, your happiness begins within you. Thank you for listening, and may you find peace on your journey.